You have most likely heard of the incredible health benefits of guava fruit themselves, and how they are even now being considered a superfood. However, the leaves found on guava fruit are now being recognized for their own incredible health benefits and health-promoting abilities. One of the best ways to obtain these benefits is to consume guava leaf tea. You can simply and easily create your own guava leaf tea at home. Simply wash 6 to 8 guava leaves and boil them in about 500 milliliters to 1 liter of water. Boil for 10 minutes and let sit for another 5 minutes before straining into a cup. Let cool to your desired temperature and add 1 teaspoon of honey for taste. The rest of the tea can be stored and consumed later. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of drinking guava leaf tea regularly. First, as studies have shown, regular consumption of guava leaf tea can help to improve overall heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. It can help to lower both total cholesterol levels and bad LDL cholesterol. The powerful antioxidants in guava leaf tea can also help to reduce inflammation that can damage the cardiovascular system. The good levels of potassium can also help to regulate blood pressure levels. Guava leaf tea is also an antioxidant powerhouse, which can promote our health in many ways and fight various illnesses, viruses, and chronic disease. Guava leaves are loaded with antioxidants such as flavonoids, polyphenols, vitamin C, and a unique and powerful antioxidant known as quercetin. Regular consumption of guava leaf tea can also help to reduce unwanted digestive ailments, most specifically diarrhea. Unique extracts found in guava leaf tea have been found to reduce the growth of bacteria that can cause diarrhea. As well, it can help to relieve digestive ailments such as constipation, pain, and cramps. Guava leaf tea can also help to manage diabetes and prevent the development of this disorder. This means guava leaf tea has both prevention and treatment benefits. It contains compounds that can specifically regulate blood sugar levels, especially after meals. Guava leaf tea can also help to reduce and inhibit the absorption of 2 types of sugar, known as maltose and sucrose. Lastly, consuming guava leaf tea can help to improve the overall health and look of the skin, while also treating unwanted skin ailments such as acne. Due to its rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, it can help to keep the skin looking young and radiant, while also reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Guava leaf tea is also unique in that it has astringent properties, which can help to improve the skin's texture and tone. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.